Welcome to Reviews Heaven. If you've ever wondered whether your steak is perfectly medium rare or your turkey is holiday ready, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best digital meat thermometers that make cooking easier, tastier, and stress-free. From smart Bluetooth gadgets to ultra-fast instant read options, these thermometers will take your cooking game to the next level. No more second-guessing in the kitchen or at the grill. Make sure to stick around as we break down the features, pros, and why these thermometers are must-haves for your kitchen arsenal. And hey, we've got you covered. Check out the product links in the description box to explore and shop your favorites. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Are you tired of the guessing game when cooking? Meet the Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. With its lightning-fast 2 to 3 seconds response time and pre-calibrated accuracy, this gadget ensures your meals are cooked to perfection every time. Plus, if it ever needs recalibration, it's got you covered. No more excuses for overcooked chicken. This thermometer isn't just for meat. Whether you're deep frying, baking, grilling, or even experimenting with candy, it's your trusty sidekick. It works seamlessly in the kitchen, on the grill, or with your air fryer and smoker. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cooking gadgets, just without the corkscrew. The large digital display with a bright blue backlight is perfect for nighttime grilling or dimly lit kitchens. Burnt fingers while squinting in the dark? Say goodbye to that. And did we mention it's water resistant? Cleaning it is easier than explaining why dinner is late. Finally, it's gift-ready in a foam-lined box. Stocking stuffer alert. Whether for him, her, or the grill master next door, this thermometer is a hit. It even comes with a spare battery and child-safe packaging. Who knew precision cooking could be this fun? Number 2. ThermoPro Digital Meat Thermometer. Ever struggle to get your steak just right? The ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer is here to save your meals, and maybe your reputation. With its blazing 3 to 4 second response time and precise accuracy of plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, your days of overcooking or undercooking are over. It's like having a sous chef in your pocket, without the chatter. This thermometer isn't just fast, it's smart. The 2-inch auto-rotating backlit display works for lefties and righties, even in low light. Grilling at night? No problem. And the motion sensing feature? It wakes up when you pick it up and sleeps when you're done. Kind of like your dog, but cleaner. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to its IP65 waterproof design. Rinse it under the tap or stick it on your fridge with the magnetic back. It's compact, foldable, and even has a hang hole for hooks. Organization lovers, rejoice? Need precision? The lock function freezes the reading, so you don't risk burning your eyebrows squinting over a hot grill. And with up to 3,000 hours of battery life, this gadget works longer than most relationships. It's the ultimate cooking companion. Number 3. ANDAXIN Waterproof Ultra-Fast Instant Read Food Thermometers. Say goodbye to overcooked disasters and undercooked scares with the ANDAXIN Digital Meat Thermometer. With a super-fast 2 to 3 second response time and an accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit, this sleek device will have you cooking like a pro. It's so reliable, even your steak will thank you for the perfect doneness. Equipped with a rotating stainless steel probe, this thermometer is versatile enough to handle meat, candy, or even liquids. It's long enough to save your hands from heat while giving you full control. Plus, the hold button locks the temperature on the screen, so you don't have to hover awkwardly over a sizzling grill like you're waiting for magic. The bright LCD backlight ensures you'll never squint at numbers in dim light. It's also waterproof, so cleaning it is a breeze. Just a quick rinse and you're done. Talk about hassle-free cooking. Wrapped in bold red and black, this gadget is more than just a tool. It's a confidence booster in the kitchen. So, grab the ANDAXIN thermometer and cook with precision, style, and maybe even a little swagger. Number 4. Lonicera Instant Red Digital Meat Thermometer. Meet the Lonicera Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer, your new kitchen bestie. With a super long 5.1-inch stainless steel probe, it keeps you at a safe distance from hot food and bubbling liquids. Perfect for bread baking, grilling, or testing your tea's patience. It's precise, accurate, and won't let you down. Just don't let the plastic housing near the heat. It's tough, but not invincible. This thermometer boasts a lightning-fast 2 to 4 second response time and plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy. So whether you're tackling a Thanksgiving turkey or a gooey ribeye, it gets the job done. Plus, the ultra-thin pointed head slides into any food like butter. Literally. With a wide temperature range of minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, you can use it for everything from candle making to checking water temps. The backlit display means no more guessing in dim light, and the hold button locks your reading, perfect for avoiding accidental finger burns while double-checking. Compact and easy to store with a magnetic back. It's the ultimate tool for kitchen beginners, foodies, or anyone tired of playing the "is it done yet?" guessing game. And with a money-back guarantee, this thermometer might just be your safest and smartest cooking companion yet. Number 5. Meter Plus Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. Tired of babysitting your grill or oven? Say hello to the Meter Plus, the genius of smart cooking. With its 100% wire-free design, dual sensors, and Bluetooth connectivity, it's like having a personal chef in your pocket, minus the complaints about overtime. This thermometer lets you cook with precision, whether it's a medium-rare steak or a perfectly roasted Thanksgiving turkey. The Meter app guides you through every step, even estimating cooking and resting times. It's so smart, it might just make you feel a little lazy. But who's complaining when dinner's perfect? With a wireless range of up to 165 feet, you can wander the house or chase the dog while monitoring your meal from your phone. And thanks to its dual sensors, it tracks both the meat and ambient temperature. It's like having a double agent in your kitchen, except this one's loyal to your dinner. Cleanup? A breeze. The stainless steel probe is water-resistant and dishwasher-safe. Plus, the sleek bamboo charger keeps it stylish and always ready. Whether you're grilling, baking, or air frying, Meter Plus guarantees juicy, fuss-free meals every time. Cooking just got a whole lot cooler and tastier. Thanks for watching this review's Heaven Roundup of the top 5 best digital meat thermometers. Ready to elevate your cooking game? All the product links are conveniently listed in the description box. Go check them out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing reviews. See you next time.